Find or read reviews that people are talking about ISAMUTO Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The built-in 12,000 mAh battery portable air compressor uses advanced sensing technology to detect tire pressure in real time and is equipped with an automatic stop inflation function to prevent safety hazards caused by overinflation. The continuous working time reached 25 minutes, and the maximum inflation pressure can reach to 150 psi. This powerful portable jump starter instantly ignites dead batteries in seconds, even for large trucks, up to 8.0 L gas/6.0 L diesel, or everyday vehicles like cars, SUVs, and motorcycles. Engineered to work flawlessly in extreme heat, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or bitter cold, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, its massive 5000 amp peak current delivers reliable emergency starting power whenever you need it most. This 2-in-1 portable jump starter and inflator features a digital display with 4-unit conversion, PSI, BAR, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, adapting to any gauge or region. Equipped with 4 specialized nozzles, it handles cars, trucks, motorcycles, bikes, and sports balls with fast, pinpoint-accurate inflation. Simplify roadside emergencies, sports days, and adventures all in one compact, go-anywhere powerhouse. Jumpstart with Zero Fear. Our portable car battery pack features military-grade metal clamps and smart safety tech that actively monitors every connection. With 6 critical protections: reverse polarity, overload, voltage spikes, it instantly alerts you to hazards and eliminates dangerous sparks. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.